An error has occurred in our curve scan. The error occurred when the stylus scanned a small radius. This caused the above error. Open the curve scan. The error has caused a high form error. This is always a clue to at least investigate and possibly apply this technique. Right-click in the graphic window. Click the Show Measured Curve selection. The actual curve is shown and we can see the errors. Right-click in the graphic window and click on the Show Point Numbers. Zoom in to view the point numbers. We will mask these points not by filtering or using outlier elimination. Click on Limit Evaluation. Click on Parameters. Highlight the points to be masked. This will not eliminate or delete the points but mask them for the curve calculations. Click OK. The masking of the points has changed the curve form. Open a curve form and see that the previous error has been corrected. Note, the intent is not to create a good part but to mask uncontrollable conditions like a radius that is too small to probe.